Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Jumper T16 radio. This is the Pro model with the Hall gimbals and it's the Mode 2 and it supposedly has the multi-protocol module built in, so the GR bay can be used with CrossFire. Because right now I'm rocking those three radios here, the DX9 Black from Spectrum, the Taranis X9 R Plus or something, and the Jumper T12. I'm rocking the big Crossfire module on this one and the small one on this, and yeah, it obviously is kind of a pain to run around with three radios, so I'm jumping on the T16 train because obviously this is the best of both worlds. And right now also my 200, or better say sub 250 grams all the way up builds have Crossfire, so it's time to upgrade. Get this out of the way. This too. And let's take a look. This looks actually quite nice. First impression. It's really snug. I think the sound is a bit like Futaba. I never owned a Futaba radio, I think. So this is Mode 2. That's what I'm happy to see. And it has the built-in module. That's another thing I was worried it might not have. And with the USB port here. I love that it has two switches here. That's one thing I did not like about the T12. I love the gimbals are, well, you have to get used to them. They are not horrible, but they are super soft. But the one thing I disliked was the missing second switch here and there. I'm used to using the lower switch for arming and disarming. That's why I still use my Taranis. And yeah, so. And obviously the DX9 is just like, I love it. But yeah, no Crossfire support on that, or well, no like good support in terms of using the script, so I can change power and stuff. So this antenna goes here. I think we're ready to make a size comparison soon. Just look what's else in the box here. Next strap. I guess those. Oh, this is a screen protector, I guess. Yeah, so I'll remove this one. Most of the time I just leave this on for more or less indefinitely. Maybe I can peel this off. We will see. I'll check that later. But I'm not like, the screen doesn't need to be super shiny, but I hate scratches, so we'll just leave this on probably. We will see. Then not sure what this is. Sticky tape for, don't know. Springs, if you want to change the tension of your gimbals. And I guess this is when you change modes. Something like that. Okay, so far it looks like there was no manual in here. No. Okay, I guess it comes with no manual. Let's check the box again. No, box empty. Interesting. Okay, let's check the battery tray. My two. Oh, so there we go. This side up. And because I prepared myself, I got some pre-charged cells here. Those are from HobbyCam, actually. I'm using those in my FPV goggles and the HDOs, and they're doing a good job, so yeah, can't say much about them. Ooh, oh, that's nice. There's actually already a SD card in there, I think. Not that. So you can see. Is it focusing? Yeah. So, and there's a balance plug, so I could use another to a cell, I guess. And that's actually cool because this is a balance plug, so I can balance charge with this. Because I was worried I have no charger for that right now here at home. So actually I put it in wrong. Sorry. which I can squeeze it in. I will do. We'll see if it burns up or not. So, power on. Okay. Put this balance plug in right, so that can't be it. Maybe those cells aren't charged, I'm not sure. Let's remove them and check the polarity, but I actually thought I paid attention. Minus to minus and plus to plus. And there's like the other way around. Looks good too. Don't know. Let's put it back in here. And plug it in like this. It's a bit fiddly. That should do. Maybe I'm pushing the... That's not so nice. Oh, I just saw the lights flashing there. So wait.
Welcome to Jumper TX.
Ooh.
Switch warning.
Okay. Let's put all the switches in the normal position. And ooh, that's really nice. We'll put the T12 next to it. That.
Welcome to OpenTx.
So you see the CrossFire is finding no receiver, so the speaker is like being blown out. So I lined up all the radios I'm using right now, and I have to say I really like the size of the T16 because it's like the DX9 and the Tauranus. The T12 is really nice for carrying it around in a backpack if you're hiking somewhere. So I will keep this with the CrossFire module as my travel remote, and the D9 Plus, I think it's called. I will remove the CrossFire from here and move it over to the Jumper. Oh, because I need to remove the JRV placeholder. So this goes away, and obviously the D9, the DX9 Black Edition. I really love the feel, and I really love the gimbals. I love the tension, I love the switches. I love it, but I really want just carrying one remote around, and that's why I'm going to use the T16 from now on. That's my plan. And we will see for how long, but I'm confident it will be a very long time, and yeah, I feel like it's long enough for an unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.